Yo, it's your boy, the C to the Y, the G to the Y, Cherry Jerry Baby. And I'm on my way to QC Circle for Love Laban 2024. Let's do this. It's raining like crazy here at Love Laban. Like, goodness gracious. I probably should wear a raincoat and some Crocs next time and ditch the sneakers and my vest. Should probably bring an extra t-shirt too. It's definitely a good call that I brought some extra water. Subscribe down below for more awesome adventures. And leave a like at the end of this video if you support Gay Pride.
Sa lahat na nakarin, mag-subscribe kayo Ba yan ang channel mo?
Cherry Jerry.
Cherry Jerry?
Yeah, I'm Cherry Jerry.
Cherry? As in cherry na fruit?
Yes, cherry the fruit. Tapos
Sa Tom and Jerry gano'n?
hindi, Jerry as in yung grill. Yung grill. Yeah, Jerry's grill.
So G?
Yeah, G. Yes. Salamat po.
Narinig mo subscribe. Matutuyuan ka. Kaya patuyuan. Tanggapin mo na. Tanggapin mo na cancel ka. Makatuhin na. Ano daw? Mga pili talaga kayo, no? Ano daw? May pamasahe tayo. May 1 peso kanina. Baka may loss. Baka meron pang baril. Pang nagpawi na tayo. Hindi na may 1 peso. Ano mamaya nagpawi? Ikaw mag-ilaw. Excuse mo. Malabas. Yo! Nadire? Ayaw mo muna sila. Carlo! Hindi na kayo yan? Wala kayo na.
Kanta mo na, salamin-salamin.
Cancel na.
Ibaba payong! Ibaba payong! Ibaba payong! Ibaba payong!
The rest of the concert has been cancelled, but people really do not want to go home yet. They want to stick around. Some people think it's probably a prank, but it's obviously not a prank. The concert's really cancelled. These bodyguards are trying to tell us already to go home, but it's just too much people. And I don't want to squeeze myself like a tuna. Subscribe to Cherry Jerry on YouTube for more awesome content. This is crazy. Disperse. Security right now is really trying their best to disperse everybody. Unfortunately, these people are really stubborn. They want the concert to happen right now. They want the concert to push through. But unfortunately, it's not happening. They really want us to go home. We gotta go home. The concert is not happening. Right now I'm just videotaping everything that's going on. Time to go home, everybody. As soon as there's less crowd, I'm gonna go ahead and join them and go home too. It's just really crowded right now, so I'd rather wait this out. Once there's less people, I'm gonna join them and go home also. Okay, so I'm on my way home now. Unfortunately, the concert is not happening anymore. The performers will get electrocuted if they continue with the concert. So they're canceling the concert right now. They got security and police everywhere telling the people to go home right now. Right now there's less people, so I'm gonna get home and try to reach the MRT. Watch out for the plastic bottles, you might trip in them. Subscribe to Cherry Jerry on YouTube for more awesome adventures. This is my first Love Laban and hopefully it's not my last. These people are awesome. 100 daw para sa tarpaulin. Sige, bilhin ko. Kunin ko lang yung pitaka ko. Bilhin ko yan. Seryoso. Yeah, boy. 100 daw para sa tarpaulin. Gawin kong pang concert yan.
Burger, 100, 102. 2 burger. 2 burger, 100.
2 burger, 100.
Nuggets, 100. Nuggets, 100.
Oh, burger at yung tarpaulin. Burger at yung tarpaulin. Oh,
Burger is only.
Burger is
200 yan. Oh, 100 para sa tarpaulin, tapos 100 para sa burgers.
Burger, apat. 200. No tarpaulin.
Hoy, sinabi mo 100 para sa tarpaulin.
Video ka, kuya.
Wala, naka-video ka na.
Video na.
Cotton 40. Sa akin na yung tarpaulin. Bigay mo na yan. Bigay mo na yan. Bigay mo na yan. Bigay mo na yan. Oh, witnesses, witnesses. Oo nga, bibili ako burger at yung tarpaulin, 200. Bigay mo na. It's already 8:15. Sure. And unfortunately, they're gonna cancel the show. It's been an hour and we all waited for nothing. There's just too much water messing up with the electricity on the floor. There's just no way that they're gonna have a concert.
May biniran pa kayo.